Hello guys, we are crocheting this cute bangle today. All the required items will be mentioned in the description box below. I am using a 3mm hook and two crochet bangles. First of all, we will start with the first one. Make a slip knot. This is how we will make a slip knot. Okay. Now take the hook and glide the yarn over it. It should be easily movable. Okay. Now take the bangle and make a chain 1 with that slip knot. This is your chain 1. Okay, now in this bangle only we have to make single crochets. See, this is how we will make. Yeah, that's our first single crochet. And if you want, you can mark it with a stitch marker. If you are beginner, definitely you should mark. This is your second single crochet, and this is your third one. This is how we gonna make single crochet in this bangle. Total I have made 51 single crochets. I have made it in multiple of 3. You can take it as much as you want. I have fully covered the bangle with single crochets. In total I have made 51 single crochets. Now into the first one we will make a slip stitch. See, this I have made a slip stitch. Then chain 1 and cut the yarn. The base of the bangle is done. Now moving on to round 2, we will start by taking another yarn. I am using this acrylic 4 ply yarn in cream color. Here also we will make a slip knot and it should be easily movable on the hook. Now we will insert our hook into that stitch. You can take it into the any stitch. I will start with the beginning only where I have ended up my last round. So take the yarn and make chain 3 into that hook. See, first chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3. Into the same stitch we will make 4 double crochets. So yarn over, pull the yarn, then yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. First done, second double crochet, second also done. Now make the third double crochet and the last one, that is fourth double crochet into the same space. We have totally made 4 double crochets and 3 chains. So at the end pull a little bit of yarn and insert your hook into the third chain which we have made at the starting. See, this is how we will insert the hook, and then grab the yarn from the loop and pull it through it, like just like we make a slip stitch. Again, now chain 3. Here you will get a puff in that petal. So now we will make a chain 3 and again we will do a slip stitch into the same stitch only. See, your first puffed petal is ready. This is how gonna it look. Now into the next 3 stitches we will do slip stitch. And here is the third slip stitch. Again chain 3 and make 4 double crochet into that same stitch. Two done. Third double crochet and yarn over, insert the hook, pull the yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. 4 double crochets done. Pull a little bit of yarn from the hook, insert the hook into the third chain and grab the yarn loop from that and slip stitch. Here we will get a puff. Now make 3 chain and again slip stitch into the same one, and your second petal is also done. Okay, just at the end you have to give it a little shape, and that's how we will complete all petal around the bangle. Again 3 slip stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Again chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Again 4 double crochet into the same stitch, pull out a loop and insert the hook into the third chain and take the loop in the hook and make a slip stitch. This is how it will be done. Okay, now chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the same. You have to cover full bangle by doing this step only. I have completed the round. We are at the end of the round, so we will make 3 slip stitches. See, 1, 2 and third slip stitch. Okay, we will also end it the round, so for that make a slip stitch into the first petal. Here we have made the first petal, so here we will make a slip stitch. Also chain 1 and cut the yarn. All the ends which are remaining we will weave in them with the needle. By following the same pattern, make it on the other bangle as well. Here your 2 bangles will be ready, and here is the final look. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.